Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hello to our lecture. Today, my partner Naizila and I email acting as ESP consultants are very excited to present our final showcase portfolio. Our project focused on the tourism field, specifically for local tour guides conducting international heritage excursions. As you can see on the screen in our Phase 1 report, we identify a clear design conflict. The stakeholder, the travel agency director, strictly demands absolute historical and structural accuracy to prevent misinformation. However, the learners, our local guides, experience immersion, performance, anxiety, and struggle to build a natural conversational flow when using complex historical jargon. The next slide will continue by Naizila. Through Naizila, time is yours.
Thank you, Mel. So, to break this down using Hutchinson and Wetter's framework, the guidance necessity is to deliver accurate regional schedules and safety updates. The lack is the inability to structure long-term historical narratives smoothly. But what they personally want is to master interactive storytelling, share humor, and connect naturally with international tourists. Therefore, our negotiated solution is a taste-based syllabus that bridges these two sides. Next will be explained by email.
All right, thank you, Naizila. Well, moving on to page 2, this is our syllabus blueprint titled Dynamic Storytelling and Emergency Communication. We create a 5-week course structure with a pedagogical scaffolding approach. We start with low-tech social communication in Unit 1 to build confidence. Then Unit 2 and Unit 3 target the core historical storytelling and handling unexpected inquiries from tourists. Finally, in Unit 4 and Unit 5, step up into high pressure professional tasks like safety management and crisis communication. So the next will continue by Naisilat. So Naisilat, time is yours.
Okay, now let's look at page 3, where we prove our design works in the real world. For the authentic industrial text, we selected a UNESCO Borobudur template sheet. It contains very rigid historical terms like Sailendra dynasty and architectural description like perforated stupas. Based on this text, we designed a task called the Myth Waving Challenge. In this activity, guides work in pairs to extract the rigid facts, prescribe them into an exciting mystery and discovery narrative using dynamic verbs, and perform a live simulation where they must handle sudden questions from tourists without stuttering. Next is page 4 will be explained by email. The email time is yours.
Well, the pedagogical logic behind this task directly targets the guide's legs. It trains long-form narration to eliminate performance anxiety. Following Hutchinson, we use antiquary field with story guide cultural risk. Nice time is yours. Excuse me, Naizila, time is yours.
Oh, all right, email. Reflecting on our journey, the most challenging part was the negotiating between the strict zero tolerance accuracy demanded by the agency, and the guide's need for creative, humorous interaction. If we had more time, we would add an accent adaptability module to help guides understand diverse global tourist accents. That concludes our final ESP presentation today. And this is our references. And I'll give back to email.
All right, thank you. So that's all the presentation of our syllabus, the title Dynamic Storytelling and Emergency Communication. Thank you for your attention, your time, and your uh, understanding for our explanation of our syllabus. Uh, thank you very much.